Hey guys, so I think I've shared a couple of VERSED products on my channel before, and so far I've been pretty happy with their products, generally pretty happy. And what I really love about this brand and other similar brands, there's so many brands that have been exploding onto the market, is that they incorporate really nice skincare ingredients, like the same kind of active ingredients you'll find at Sephora and other high-end places, but they're using those same active ingredients in formulas that are more affordable. Because there's not really any particular reason it has to be, like $100 for a skincare product. You just take the active ingredient and you create your formula. And it's really great that they're making high quality skincare products available to like a wide audience. And so this one has microalgae, fluoretin, and ferulic acid. And this one is an autosave advanced restoring serum. So it's supposed to be like an anti-aging serum. It helps with, well, here it says for aging skin and dullness. So it's supposed to kind of like help boost your skin a bit. It's not like retinol, which is literally supposed to like melt away the deepness of your wrinkles. This is more just like it's brightening. It kind of helps to brighten your skin. It helps to rejuvenate your skin. And it just overall just gives kind of like a nice, more of like you wake up and your skin is just like a little bit more invigorated, like a little bit brighter, a little bit more glowing. So it's not like, with any skincare product, it's not like some huge major difference that you're going to see right away. But I think over time, it's really helpful to take good care of your skin, and you will start to see a difference, especially with sunscreen, with good moisturizers, with anti-aging products that have good quality active ingredients. You will over time see that your skin is looking good. And this is 1 ounce. That's like a pretty typical size. And the scent is like a little weird. I think it's actually unscented, but it has kind of a weird scent to me. It really easily, it's a serum and it just really easily blends right into your skin. And the scent, I want to say I'm smelling almost like a slightly licoricey scent to it. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a licoricey scent, but without like the sweetness, if that makes any sense. But it does have a bit of a scent, which I believe is just the scent of the ingredients. I don't think it's like a scent they put in there on purpose, because it's not like the most pleasant scent, but it does fade away quite quickly. So you do smell a little bit of like an odd scent, and then it's pretty much gone. So it's not really that bad. And so that's this VERSED product. And let me know if you guys have tried this and if you have any other VERSED products you think are good to try. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.